In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Zoom from all devices. This is especially useful if you used Zoom on a shared computer, lost a phone, or just want a clean slate for security. We'll do this from the Zoom web portal, and it will sign you out everywhere: desktop apps, mobile apps, and other browsers. It won't delete your account or cancel any meetings. It simply ends active sessions, so only you can sign back in. First, make sure you're signed in to your Zoom account on the web. On the left side of the page, look for My Account and click it. This opens your personal dashboard, where you can manage settings that affect your entire Zoom experience. If your layout looks a little different, that's okay. The My Account link may appear near the top of the page, but it takes you to the same place. Next, go to Profile. This is your account's hub for personal details and sign-in information. On this page, scroll until you see a section called Where You're Logged In. It lists the devices and browsers that currently have an active Zoom session under your account. Think of it as a quick snapshot of everywhere you're signed in. In that section, click Sign Me Out of All Sessions. This command tells Zoom to revoke access across your devices, including desktop and mobile apps, as well as other browser sessions you might have opened. It's a fast way to make sure nothing remains signed in if you've stepped away from a shared device or want to reset everything after changing security settings. You'll be asked to confirm. Click Sign Out to finish. Once you confirm, Zoom immediately begins closing those sessions. In many cases, you'll be signed out on the device you're using right now as well, which is expected. If a meeting is currently running elsewhere, that app will require a fresh sign-in before it can access your account again. A few tips as you wrap up. Give it a moment for every device to catch up. The next time you open Zoom on your phone or computer, you'll be prompted to log back in. If you sign in through your organization, use your usual single sign-on method. And if you've enabled two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. That's it. Quick, secure, and effective. By using the Profile page and the Sign Me Out of All Sessions button, you've ensured your Zoom account is only accessible where you want it to be. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your account safe.